Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. You guys are probably gonna ask yourselves after you see this video, Danny, what the hell is wrong with you? So yesterday we did the wood flooring in both my trunk and Ongo's trunk. And I don't know how I spaced this out or how I completely just missed it, but with wood flooring, you're bound to have stuff slipping all over the place. So that's something that I didn't really catch yesterday. And originally I wanted to do like a black suede anyway. So I got some black suede. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. So I got this at a fabric store down in Carson. And it's just a piece of black suede. So I think this is gonna look a lot better, to be honest. I tend to do these things a lot where I put something on my car or in my car and I end up switching it within like the first week. So I think I'm gonna like this a lot better. Check it out guys. So I just got my Downstar hardware. So this is the new flare hardware that we're gonna be using. I heard this stuff's really good. A lot of people use this, so excited to see how they turn out. So I did go buy a staple gun just because we're gonna lay the suede on top of the wood flooring anyway. Some staples, and then we got some glue just in case. I think just for extra security on them. So there it is. It actually held up, huh? Mm-hmm. It's still kind of sticky though. So what do you think? Should I put glue first?
I don't know. Will it destroy the material?
I don't think so.
Will it eat through it?
This is what the guy recommended. Guess I'll just like drip it on there and see what happens. So now that we got all the glue on there, we're gonna go ahead and lay the suede on top and then just staple it back, right? That'd be best.
Just staple the corner, right?
Yeah.
Straight down?
Oh. Alright, so there's the suede on top of the wood now. We're gonna let it sit and dry for just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and pull it and staple it back. So there's one side stapled. This glue really isn't that great. It's not really bonding them together, so those staples are actually gonna work out just fine. Yeah, carpenters yesterday and upholstery today. So while Nestor gets that finished up, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the outside trims in here. So that one right there and that one right there, because I am just gonna go ahead and spray it while we're in there. Here we go guys. It should be 4 easy little clips like this. In my case I only had 3 because that one was missing, but that's technically everything that holds it in. And then you have these 2 on the sides here, and then the entire panel here should come out. I think I'm gonna just wipe these down with like a wet towel or something, just to get all this grease and muck off, and then we'll go ahead and spray them. It should be like fast drying stuff, so we should be able to get them in within like the next 20-30 minutes. And look at the progress over here with Ongo. Hit him up guys, hit him up for your upholstery needs. Guys, check this out. So I sprayed one of them. This is the one I sprayed just now. And that's the old one. As you guys can see, that is a huge difference. It looks 10 times better, and it literally costs $8 to do this. Again, we are using Duplicolor vinyl and fabric. We got this stuff at AutoZone. Dude, guys, look at that. I can't believe the difference in color. Look at that. That's like a dark gray with like grime and muck all over it. And then you got your brand new looking black. Holy shit. Holy shit, Ongo. Okay, I gotta spray this too. That's crazy, man. Look at that. God. It's just the little things that go a long way, guys. Look at that. While we let this dry, which is actually already dry, that was quick. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this one down and then just finishing it up. I am using the back of the board that goes into my trunk. No one's ever gonna see the bottom of this, so it won't really matter. Here it is. That is the final finished product for this one. This is like some fast drying stuff. Like right now it's a little sticky, but that one up top there dried within like 10 minutes. So we'll just wait on this one and then we'll put them back in the car. So Nestor has most of this all stapled around. It's looking pretty good. I think what we're gonna do as well is just cut off this extra suede that's kind of sticking out right here. But for the most part, it's coming out really good. Ooh, not bad.
A little stretchy.
Yeah. So there's a little bit of stretching right here. Nothing too bad. Nothing noticeable at least. But it came out really good. Look at that, guys. Little tab open. Like, alright guys, it's all dry now, so it's time to put these back in. I'm excited to see how they turned out, how they're gonna look. Guys, I am loving this thing. Look at that.
Yeah.
It is like perfect now. I know, there's like, I forgot to put the tab down on this when I painted it. So it came out like that. And once I flip the tab back in, it's like, it's still gray right there. But this is looking really good, guys. I highly recommend this for anyone trying to make their panels look brand new again. Yo guys, we just put in the last piece. You guys ready? Check that out. Holy shit, this looks so good, dude. It kind of looks all like grayish right here, but it's not. It's just the shadowing. But look at that. It's like all suede. Looks all brand new back here. Damn. I like the wood flooring, but I think this is more of the look that I was going for with this trunk setup. And I think it looks a lot cleaner and a lot more stealth. I like it. If anything, if my subwoofer still slides out, I'll probably get some L brackets and then just bolt them into the bottom piece of the wood. But I'm really liking this setup a lot more. I love the new black on the sides here. That looks really good. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the blacked out stealth look more, or do you like the wood flooring more? I personally like this a lot more now. If you guys have any questions at all about this install, make sure you leave a comment down below and we'll try and answer it as soon as possible for you guys. This is actually something that I'm really liking. So we're gonna go ahead and keep this black look. I'm super aesthetic about these side panels. These came out great and they look 100% brand new. Next up for sure is doing that headliner black. I just need to figure out how you get the actual sun visors, because I've seen people do those black, so I want to find out how to do that. Get as much info as possible on how to do everything before I go into it. Anyways guys, we're gonna go catch a bite to eat and we will catch you all tomorrow.